OSPF and Link State Algorithm by Satya, Jasmeet and Chemo. In a large network like Internet, how will a router know where the next hop is for a packet that it received? How will a new router added as part of network expansion know how to route packets? One naive solution can be each router maintaining a forwarding table which is updated manually by a network engineer. This solution doesn't scale and quickly becomes impractical. And that's where routing protocols jumps in and makes it not only practical but also applicable. One such routing protocol is Open Shortest Path First, and which uses Link State Routing Algorithm to build forwarding tables of the routers. Link State Routing Algorithm has two phases. In phase 1, each node sends its link state, which is its neighborhood costs, to all the nodes in the network. This is called flooding. In phase 2, each node uses Dijkstra's algorithms to calculate the shortest paths to all the nodes. Now let's see its impacts. Impact on individual. Interview with a network engineer at University at Buffalo. Did you work with link state algorithm?
OSPF is used on the university network, hence we do use link state routing algorithm to update the forwarding tables.
What would happen if there are no routing protocols?
If there are no routing protocols, a router won't know where to forward the packets that it receives, and the forwarding tables are not generated by the algorithm. Instead, they need to be manually updated.
How scalable solution is that? Updating the forward tables manually?
It is not very scalable. You might be able to do it manually for very small networks, which is 5 to 10 routers, but would be really bad for large networks like university's network.
Impact on society. Incremental SPT allows the system to recompute only the affected part of the tree. Portional recomputation result in faster OSPF convergence and saves CPU resources. The OSPF shortest path first throttling feature makes it possible to configure SPF scheduling in millisecond intervals and to potentially delay SPF calculations during network instability. OSPF is useful for traffic engineering purposes. Knowledge of topology allows routers to calculate routes that satisfy the incoming request. Impact on an organization. We have seen that routing protocols play an important role in how routers handle routing and in network expansion. OSPF routing protocol is considered one of the industry standards, which is easy to implement, and it's used by all the major network infrastructure companies. Juniper Networks, one of the major network infrastructure companies, uses OSPF, which in turn uses Link State Routing Algorithm as one of their routing protocols. This makes Juniper Networks routers one of the most sought-after routers by network engineers to implement their networks.